Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to be showing you huge Nykaa makeup haul. Actually I have a lot of boxes from Nykaa. One more and one this small one more. I can't handle too many boxes. So yeah, this is gonna be huge Nykaa makeup haul and very exciting one because I shopped a lot from Nykaa. Suddenly, I don't know why, because of the lockdown ends, maybe that's why. So yeah, I just grab a lot of products. So let's just get started with the video quickly because I have to show you a lot of stuff. Is this illuminator, the sugar illuminator by Nykaa. Actually, I shopped a lot of sugar products. So let's just start with sugar. So this is the illuminating moisturizer. This is in the shade Peach Poppin. I actually choose this shade because I think this will suit me. So this look like this. The quantity is great, the quality is also great, the packaging is also really nice, and it is a very mild moisturizer. As you can see, it actually glow. It's not too much of, it's not very chunky, but it's glowy. It will give you a glow when you use this under your foundation. So it's like that, and if you can use it as a highlighter, as a illuminator, anything, you can just use this and go. Very versatile product. I like this one. I'm happy with my purchase. The price is I think 799 if I'm not wrong. I will just show the prices on the screen. So it is this. And the next product from Sugar is this foundation stick. This is the Ace of Face foundation stick. I want this so badly, but I couldn't know my shade, so I I want this so badly. I waited so long, and it looked like this. The packaging is very sleek, and this is the shade 27 of Venena. If I'm pronouncing not wrong. So on the one side you got the product, um, and on the next side you actually got a brush to blend, and this brush is very dense, so it is perfect for blending the foundation. This stick is very good for traveling purposes, so you don't need to carry extra beauty blender or extra foundation brush with this one because this has inbuilt in it. So it's beautiful, and I love this stick. I want this so badly. I waited for so long. Finally I got this and I'm happy. The next product is actually the Sugar mini lipsticks. So this has actually, it is a box with 4 liquid lipsticks. Let me show you. It look like this. It's so cute. um, Let me quickly show you the shade. This is the one is the 12 down found. All are the nude shade. The next shade is Suave Mauve 09, 04 Plum Yum, and 03 Tan Fan. uh, I will actually show you. I've actually made a detailed video. I will make in future. So just quickly see this, and you will see pictures some over here of all the shades. So this is actually very nice for traveling again because it has 4 liquid lipstick and the size is very tiny. So yeah, it's just like that. And the next product from Sugar, I got um, small blush. This is the shade Mauve Marble. It's look like this. I have all the blushes which are very pink or orange, so I want a blush to put a darker color. So it look like this. So yeah, it's a nice blush. I have used actually Sugar before. I have the Sugar mini bronzer, so I want to try a mini blush because I like the quality. That's why I purchased, and yeah, the color is very nice. The next product is a translucent powder from Sugar. This is the all set to go translucent powder. The best thing about this translucent powder is the size is very tiny, so it can fit any makeup pouch. This is actually a white translucent powder, so I think it will go on my skin tone. um, Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, and when you open this, you got a mirror. So yeah, good for traveling, and you got a slightly mini tiny puff with it, a sponge. If I don't know. So yeah, a tiny translucent powder is very good. I actually want translucent powder for so long because yeah, because I have all my bulky tubs of powders. I want a small one, so this is very nice. um, the next product is this the Sugar Click Me Up lipstick. The concept is really nice because you actually have to click here and the product will come out. uh, there's a drawback when you came out when the product came out from this one, it actually don't go back. That's a drawback. So when you try these lipstick, make sure that you don't click here too much. I accidentally click a lot of time, like 4 to 5 times, and then I regret it. So don't do that. And yeah, that's a really nice shade. I mean, very nice orangey red shade. Yep, that's that. And another lipstick from Sugar is this. There's the Nothing Else Matter Long Wear lipstick. This is the shade Pink Allowed. Let me show you. Yeah, so it look like this, and it's a beautiful pink color, as you can see, and the quantity is also very great. I will tell you the prices here. So yeah, that's the lipstick I got. Any other Sugar product? Yeah, the next Sugar product is actually this palette. This is a contour, blush, and highlight palette. This is the shade Subtle Summit, and it actually look like this. You also got a mirror with this, and it has a blush, highlighter, and contour. So good for traveling again. Yeah, the highlighter is very nice, champagne gold. The contour is very beautiful. It actually not very harsh contour, and the blush is also very subtle. So yeah, good for traveling, and you actually got three things in one. The price is 799 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, that's a palette. That's a very sleek, tiny palette which all have three things you need. And yep, that's it. I'm happy with the. Sugar actually never disappoint me. So I actually got a lot of Sugar products. And yeah, that's it. That's the end of a Sugar product. Let's start with faces now because I have quite a faces product. The first product is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro face palette. This also have 3-in-1 highlighter, blush, and contour. So let me just open and show you. The packaging is really nice. It actually protect the product, so it look like this. You got blush, contour, and highlight, all 3-in-1. Actually, I will tell you a small funny story. I have had this palette before, but dude, what happened is this. Let me show you this palette also. It actually broke. The contour and highlighter actually broke, and my heart also broke. So I like the quality, I like all the colors, and I felt so bad. I decided that I'd want another palette, same palette. So finally I got this palette. Is mostly out of stock, so just make sure if you want to buy. And this is beautiful because I have tried this one and the color is so good. It actually suits medium to fair complexions. This palette is really nice, and smell of this palette is also very good. And I like the quality. It actually stay on your face for about 5 to 6 hours, all the three shades, and it is amazing. The quality is really nice. The price wise quality is very nice. It actually have, so the price is I think 799 800 if I'm not wrong. I will just mention. And yeah, this is a beautiful, and I love this palette. The Sugar palette I have not tried, but this palette I have tried, so I can tell you it's amazing. The next Faces product is actually a cream blush. It is actually a stick cream blush. So This is how this looks, and when you open it actually got covered with a nice lid, which I like. Very good concept. And this is the blush stick look like. The color is slightly dark. I don't mind using a darker blush on my face. I just want to try. And yep, that's it. The quantity is very nice. I mean, it will last you for so long, and it is perfect for a deeper skin complexion. However, if your face skin tone, you can also use it. Yeah, it suits every skin complexion. It suits everyone. And yep, that's it. The another faces product is I think one more. Yep. So this is the Faces Canada X Kriti Sanon in the collaboration of Kriti Sanon. This is the mini All Time Pro Mini Matte Lip Crayon. The shade is a beautiful. Look how cute this is looking. And this comes with a free sharpener, so beautiful again. And the color is really nice. It's a beautiful pink mauve color. So let's just swatch and show you. So that's the color, and it's beautiful color. I want to try this one out, and it's actually very nice, so good for traveling. It can fit anywhere, in your pocket, on a makeup pouch or a clutch, everything. So that's the lip crayon I got. And yeah, that's the end for Faces product. Let's move on to Nykaa. Actually shopped a lot from Nykaa. The first product is the Nykaa Brow Pencil. This is the Nykaa Brow On Point Micro Fine Pencil. If you notice my eyebrows, I have very thick eyebrows. So I want my eyebrow pencil. I want eyebrow pencil so bad. Because I need a good eyebrow pencil. So why not try Nykaa? Nykaa never disappoints me too. So this pencil is very thin, and on the one side you got a spoolie, and on the another side you got the product. Yeah, so the tip is very fine and very good. So yeah, the color is also very nice, and it suits my eyebrows, which is very nice thing because I have like dark thick eyebrows, so I want my eyebrow pencils to be very fine, precise, and darker. So this suits my eyebrows, and I like this. The next product from Nykaa is actually a brush. I ordered a concealer brush from Nykaa. Um, I'm I'm not sure it will if it's blend the concealer, because the brush is very dense. The brush is very dense, but it is not as dense as it could have to be. I mean, to blend a cream product, I think it's I've not tried, so I can't say anything. Um, but yeah, I will try and just give my reviews. I think the brush is not too thick, but yeah, I'll just try. Can't say anything bad about this because I have not tried and used it. So yeah, that's that. Then I got lipstick from Nykaa. This is the shade Madras Kapi, and dude, if you're looking for a good nude to brown lipstick, this is it. This is such a beautiful color for fair skin tone, especially if you are a medium to darker skin tone. It can wash you out a little bit, but if you are skin tone just like me, it will gonna look beautiful on you. This is a really nice shade. I have tried, and let me show you. Uh, it look like this. Very nice color, brown to nude color, brownish nude color. So yeah, very nice. And it will gonna stay on your lips for about 4 to 5 hours. And this is a beautiful color. I've actually have the Nykaa matte to last color in the shade Kudi. So I like the quality, so I bought another one in Madras Kapi, and it is a beautiful brown to nude color, brownish nude color. Oh, so yeah, Then I bought another lipstick from Nykaa. This is the Mattelicious Lip Crayon, and the quality is beautiful. It is a very it's gonna stay on your lips for a very long time. I think 8 hours approximately. So it will not gonna came off easily. So it has a sharpener. It got a free sharpener. This is the color look like, and I actually use it of quite a bit time. So you can see, it's a good. This is a good maroonish color, as you can see, good maroon color. If you are looking for a good red to maroon color, darker color, this is a good choice for you. Yeah, it suits every skin type, every skin complexion. So it is a nice lipstick. And I think it's a last product, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think the last product is the Nykaa Get Wing liner. I have actually tried the Get Wing liner from Nykaa before, but my liner got dried. I just lost the cap and it got dried. So yeah, obvious reasons. So I have repurchased this one more time because I like the quality and the color. The best thing about this one is actually gives you a matte finish. I want my liners to be perfectly matte, and this is beautiful, and it also stays on your eyes for about 7 to 8 hours. I have tried, so I can tell you. And this is a jet black liner. This is very intense. So let me just show you the tip. The tip is also really nice, and it is actually very easy to draw a wing liner. It's actually very easy to draw a wing liner, so you never regret buying this liner. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got. Okay guys, that's it for my huge Nykaa makeup haul. If you like and enjoy, and if this video helps for you, don't forget to give this video a big huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to see more fun videos like this. And I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, because that's very important. And also, wait, I've created this makeup look on my channel. You find the tutorial of this makeup look, so I will just leave the link in description box below. So just don't forget to check it out. And yeah, that's it. Bye.